Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Everyone, take your classwork copy, pen, and get ready for today's class. Today, we will discuss about the unseen part, that is part B. You all know that in the unseen part, there will be given an unseen text, and from this unseen text, you will have to answer information transfer and true false. Now everyone, go through the unseen text with me. Read the following text and answer questions 4 and 5. Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists of modern age, was born of Jewish parents in Germany in 1879 AD. At the age of 21, he graduated from the Federal Institute of Technology, Zurich. 2 years later, he joined a service in Bern. He obtained his doctorate in 1905 AD. 4 years after his doctorate, he took the post of associate professor at the University of Zurich. He resigned the next year to become a full professor at a German university. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. When Hitler became Chancellor of Germany in 1933, Einstein was in America as a visiting professor. For Hitler's cruelty to the Jews, he did not return to his homeland. Einstein became famous for his theory of relativity. At the request of a group of scientists, he wrote to the American President Roosevelt to use atomic energy in bombs. You can see a grid here. In question number 4, you need to complete the grid below with appropriate information. Boys, you all know how to answer the information transfer. You only need to write down the answer in one word. The first sentence is Albert Einstein was born. Number 1 is gap in 1879. The second sentence, graduation. Federal Institute of Technology. Number 2 is gap. Then the third sentence, here, activity or event. Here is a gap, then Bern in 1902. Then PhD in the fourth sentence. And number 4 is gap in time or year. The last sentence is awarded Nobel Prize, and the last gap is also in time or year. I am telling you the answers. Number 1, The answer of number 1 is Germany. Then answer of number 2 is in 1900 AD. Here everyone notice, in this text it is said that Albert Einstein was born in 1879 AD and he graduated at the age of 21. Now boys, add digit 21 with 1879. Then you will find the answer. And the answer is 1900 AD. The answer of number 3 is service. Number 4, answer is 1905 AD. In the passage it is said that doctorate, PhD is doctorate of philosophy. And the answer of number 5 is 1921. I think you all got this information transfer. Then question number 5. Read the passage again and write whether the statements are true or false. Give correct answer if the statement is false. Number A. Einstein is greater than any other scientist of modern age. It is false. The correct answer is Einstein is one of the greatest scientists of modern age. Number B. Einstein was a Christian. It is false. Correct answer is Einstein was a Jew. Number C. He received his bachelor degree from the University of Zurich. It is false. Correct answer is he received bachelor degree from the Federal Institute of Technology, Zurich. Number D. He got a job in Bern in 1902. This statement is true. Number E. President Roosevelt was requested to use atomic energy in bombs by Einstein. This statement is true. Then come to question number 6. Cloze test with clues. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. The clues which are given here are up, efforts, industry, weavers, costly, stand, city, with, from, revolution products. Everyone go through the text and try to find out the answer. The Muslim declined after the British took over power. The Mughals in 1757 and with industrial in England. The Muslim Jamdani of Dhaka could not, in competition, the cheap industrial of England. After 1971 are underway to revive industrial Jamdani designs. Jamdani village has been set at Demra near Dhaka to provide financial support to the boys. You all know, you just need to write down the answers. Now I'm telling the answers of this cloze test with clues. The Muslim industry. The answer is industry. The Muslim industry declined after the British took over power from the Mughals in 1757 and with industrial revolution in England. The costly Muslim Jamdani of Dhaka could not stand in competition with the cheap industrial products of England. After 1971, efforts are underway to revive industrial Jamdani designs. Jamdani village has been set up at Demra near Dhaka to provide financial support to the weavers. Question number 7. Cloze test without clues. Read the text below and fill in the gaps using suitable words to make it a meaningful text. You all know you won't be given any clue here in cloze test without clues. Now boys, everyone go through this text and try to find out the answers. Our country is replete gap. Here is a gap. Natural resources. Our development Number B, gap on the proper. Number C, gap of these resources. Time. Number D, gap be passed in an. Number E, gap way. Building up the country is our duty, so let us lead the country ahead in a body. I am telling you the answers. Everyone listen carefully. Our country is replete with. Number A, answer is with natural resources. Our development is on the proper utilization of these resources. Time cannot be passed in an idle way. Number E, answer is idle way. Building up the country is our duty, so let us lead the country ahead in a body. Then come to question number 8. Match the part of sentences from column A and B to make 5 complete sentences. Boys, you all know how to match the part of sentences. At first, you will have to match the numbers, then match the part of the sentences. Boys, you have only 1 minute to match the columns, so do it now. Do question number 8 as classwork and send the pictures to my WhatsApp number. I think you all have done question number 8. Now I'm telling you the answers. At first you have to match the numbers, then you have to match the sentences. Number 1 plus number E. UNICEF originally stood for the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Then number 2 plus D. It gives long-term help to the children of developing nations. Number 3 plus A. The main objective of UNICEF is a decrease neonatal death. Number 4 plus B. It also undertakes humanitarian work to help the affected people. Number 5 plus C. Bangladesh is a member of UNICEF. Boys, write down all the exercises in your classwork copy and practice accordingly, and write down the answers of these topics. That is question number 3. Fill in the gaps based on text in your homework copy and send the pictures of the homework to my personal WhatsApp number along with your name, role and section. So, boys, that's all for today. Thanks to all for being with the class till the end. Goodbye, everyone.